amazing morning to everyone.
Amazing morning.
You know, I'm so happy to be part of Worldwide. I am Worldwide, and thank you so much for trusting me, these bosses, you know. Thank you guys for the trust. And you know what? I've been like drinking barley every day now, and my gosh, I feel the difference. It's so light, I have no migraine, no headache, and I was like asking Philip, you really have to take this, diba?
Yes, I've started recently.
And now, before coming here, my mood is so, I have to drink this, so buong araw, okay ang feeling ko. So talagang I will really push for this, and it's really true na barley is one of the best supplement for the body. And look at Maritoni, how healthy he is now. And okay, for my good health, I will take this every day and of course promote because it's really true. Thank you so much, guys, and thank you so much for having me. I'm so happy and proud to be part of.